Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here from the Wildwood Video Archive, and as you know, I cover all things news in Cape May County. Whether it's Ocean City, whether it's Cape May, whether it's the villas, you name it, I cover it all. And a few weeks ago, I was doing probably like a 20-mile bike ride off the island and stumbled upon what I would call the biggest house I think I've ever seen. We're gonna leave it at that, okay? It like rivals like the Vanderbilts, like Bitmore and whatever you wanna call it. I mean, this thing is insane. And so I asked you guys, because they're still building it, it's completely empty. They're still building it, so I asked you guys, hey, do you want me to go ahead and do a video about it? I'm not gonna give you any information about it. I don't wanna tell you where it's located or whatever for the privacy of the owners, but this thing is absolutely beautiful, and so I just wanted to share it with you guys. On the side, I do real estate videos, and when I saw this thing, I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing is just massive, it's beautiful, and I want to share it with you guys. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's do this. I've never seen a house that big. I have no idea how much that would even cost. It's insane. It actually doesn't even seem real. Now, location-wise, as I said before, I don't want to give you guys any information about it just because of the privacy of the family, but it's not located in Wildwood. It's off the island, a few miles away. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments section. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com for supporting this channel. You too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is, I'm not gonna tell you which way. It's somewhere around here. I'll see you later. Bye.